Ryan, gêm gynta y gyngre'r ti fel hyfforddwr Met Caerdydd a beth yw goliaeth gyda hefyd, hapus?
Hapus iawn, super proud o'r boys. Wythnos diwetha, reit trwy pre-season, maen nhw wedi bod yn anhygoel. Heddi perfformiad arbennig ganddyn nhw na gyd o'n ni gallu gofyn. Bydd y Canlyniad yn cymryd ei hun mewn i ystyriaeth, ond jyst perfformiad na gyd o'n ni gofyn amdano a pob un ohonyn nhw, pob un oedd ar y banc, pob un oedd ddim yn y sgwad heddi, y staff i gyd, oedd pob un wedi ategu at heddi. So, proud iawn.
First game in, Cardiff met buoyant on the back of obviously their performance last week against Newtown in the Cup. Came down last Sunday to watch them, knew where their threats would be, knew how they would cause us problems today. Worked on something to try and cope with that and try and cause them problems in a certain different area. And, you know, game plans are all well and good, but we didn't execute ours well enough, and I'm still learning very much about the group. So we asked the group to do a job for us last week against TNS, and they did it admirably. Today, maybe I've asked the group to do something that isn't comfortable to them, so I have to accept responsibility for that, and learn about the capabilities of the group that I'm inheriting, and what they can do and what they can't do between now and the end of the season, or between now and the end of the transfer window, until we maybe get a few different bits of personnel in.
Oedd hi'n boeth iawn. Mi efo 3G a beth y D ar y pitch, oedd hi just yn ddim yn gyffyrddus iawn, rhaid gweud, ond fel y gêm, nath ni'n dda iawn. Fi'n credu nath ni stryglo tyn bach yn y 10 munud cynta, ond ar ôl hynny, nath ni oedd y tîm gorau trwy'r gêm cyfan. So, proud iawn o'r boys, trwy'r gêm cynta, ennill y gêm, erioed, fi'n credu ni meiddi Cei Connah yn y gyngrair, so mae hynny'n step bach da, ond eto dim ond 3 pwynt a un gêm ydi.